Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a forward edge guys here, and if you have a forward edge and your horn doesn't work on the steering wheel, stay with us and we'll explain which fuse you need to check. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation forward edge, we make at least 200 videos. Why guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, car parts, tools, and you want to get them for a good price and fast shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. Let me open the hood and I'll show you something quick here now. This is a 2009 forward edge that we're working on. As I said, 2009 guys, but it should cover many years. Okay, it should cover many years. So what do we need to do now guys here? You have two fuse boxes, one is under the hood, one is inside the car. Okay, but the fuse for the horn, it's not here guys. The fuse for your horn is actually, okay, this is guys, as you can see, this is your horn, okay, right here. And if it's not working, okay, the fuse is actually in the fuse box that is by the pedals here. You can see where your brake pedal is, gas accelerator pedal as well. So if you come right here now, okay, if you come right here, check it out now guys. Usually, okay, what you're going to have now, you're going to have one cover. The cover will look like that now, guys. Okay, so you need to slide that thing open, okay, and pull it out. Now underneath you're going to have a second cover. Okay, this is with that covers the fuses. Right here you need to squish on both sides and pull it out. Good news guys, okay, you have the fuse numbers, okay, printed on the back side. You can see those are the fuse numbers, but it doesn't say what each fuse is for. So the fuse that we need to check is fuse number 24. This is the second row from left to right, and under that big relay it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fuse number 5 guys. So if we come right here, you will be here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20 amp fuse guys, 20 amp fuse that we need to check for that horn. So go ahead, grab it, okay, and pull it out. This is the fuse. Now if you guys need to buy replacement fuses for a really good price, check out these guys. Okay, the whole box, you can get it for a super good price. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. When you're ready to install it, okay, let me show you, okay, what you will need to do to install your fuse. Okay, grab a new one and just push it in guys. Just push it in and don't forget to install your covers. So pretty much that's it guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time.